You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from French. In French, this is the French word for a flea, the animal, but I know in English it designates a color, which I guess is the color of a flea, is it? The French pronunciation here is pronounced as puce. Puce. It's the very specific U sound from French, puce. In English, the color is pronounced as puce, but French pronunciation, how to say flea, a flea, in French, puce. How to pronounce puce. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.